Shortly after 8:30 p.m., the Fresno Police Department's dispatch received a 911 call concerning a man in Vinland Park waving a gun around. The 911 caller identified himself as Anthony.
911.
Hi, I'd like to report somebody waving a gun around.
Where are they located at?
Vinland Park, Woodrow, and Gettysburg.
Do you know who this person is?
Short, has black hair, short,
Anthony provided additional descriptions of the gun and that the suspect was last seen near the park bathrooms.
Does he appear drunk or high?
no, he just seems a little off.
When you say he's waving it, is he like pointing it at people or just like putting it up over his head?
No, he just, he only got one foot up over his head.
Hey man, hey, come here. Stop. Come here.
Stop! Get your hands
Hey,
up!
show me your hand. Don't move. Show me your hand. George 2 on Gibbs here. We got one with a gun. Hey, you need to stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. He's walking away. He's got a gun in his right hand. And he's walking to the east. Get us there, support police. Hey, you need to stop right now. Stop. Hey, drop the gun! Drop the gun! George 2 he's now walking north through the center of the park. Hey, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Male blaster, and he's walking back towards us with the gun. Drop the gun! I mean, unit with the rifle. Drop the gun! Shots fired, he's down. We're in the center of the park. He's down off that. Blaster, and he's walking back towards us with the gun. Drop the gun! I mean, unit with the Drop the gun! Fast. Abort! Abort! Call abort! Say back to me, guys, back to me. Call abort! Abort! Call abort! 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 Abort!